We certainly don't need to convince you about the rise of new media and the fall of old media. That's why you're here. But there are a few reasons why we chose YouTube over any other platform like blogging or podcasting. Most importantly, it's because it's where we spend our time. Like many of our friends, we spend our evening watching our favorite YouTubers, not our favorite TV stars.
We've since found that YouTube has some unique benefits that make it one of the best mediums for building an audience. The first being that it's more personal. There's an actual face to put behind your words. Your facial expressions, tone, and cadence all enhance the video. And also, sarcasm and subtlety are not as easily lost in video.
Second, there's a built-in community already comfortable interacting on the platform. They're already signed in, they already have an opinion, and if you did your job right, they're looking specifically for the content you've created.
Third, it's arguably easier to get noticed on YouTube. Now this may seem counterintuitive because you're competing with literally millions of other creators.
But later we'll discuss how you can leverage YouTube's powerful search engine to get noticed in the early stages of your channel.
There's also something rewarding about building an audience on YouTube. You're only going to get noticed if you're putting out valuable content. Unlike old media, where labels, studios, and marketing directors decide what people watch, YouTube is a meritocracy. If you make it, you know it's because you worked hard and people chose to watch your videos.
The downsides of YouTube, it can be very costly and it can be very time consuming. Between writing, filming, and editing, you can spend hours and hours on a single video. And we've spent thousands of dollars on equipment. But don't let that scare you. We'll show you later how you can use the equipment that you already have, probably in your pocket, to start on YouTube. And we've found that the time invested has been extremely rewarding.